Starting the vlog off extremely late. It's about 7:39, but I'm telling you why I started the vlog really late. Well, I worked today 12 to 5 supposed to be, but then I went until 6:30. It's about time I punch out. Round up now. Then I came home and chillax. Right now, starting the vlog, of course, and just got done using mac and cheese and hot dogs, and gotta do. And yeah, for my break, I had some rice pudding, pudding. That's a fun play. Say pudding. Okay, that's not good now. But right now we're watching the Payback, and right now I'm at the segment about Finn Balor is talking about gay ass Miz. Interesting. But we have a little problem. See that brand? Stuff all back at Squidger, but it is fucking expensive. It's like freaking, I don't know, what is that? It's like $5. We can go to a store and get it for $4. Good though. But you know what? I'm not gonna fucking quit paying $5. Especially But oh my god, I am working like crazy. Which I like working like crazy. Like these last 3 days I've been working. Friday, I don't work 8 to 1. Yeah, Saturday 9 to 1:30. Today 12 to 6. But I'm not complaining. I love hours. Hey. Stop! Now, next time I work is Wednesday, 9 to 1. That's not for a while, though. Sorry, I had to get my dog. Because he was trying to go for cat poop. Why do dogs or cats eat cat poop? That fucking smells as shit. Well, I can't smell, so, it's alright. But my mom went to Sakura. She got me 3 more big bags of seeds. I put those in the bucket. And it's and then 3 big bags of seeds. And holy shit, it is cold out. Try this new Mountain Dew Spike. Didn't like the raspberry lemonade. Try the lemonade later. Sarah! Get out of there! She's being a little poop right now. But yeah. Now, let's go continue watching WWE Payback. Last night, completely went to bed. And I watched YouTube video and went to bed. Then I watched a little bit of Payback and then went to play WWE. No title change yet, but there might be some soon coming. So stay tuned. But yeah. But let's get the plan today. I had baseball practice after school, and then but yeah, let's get recap the day going. Had to-dos, and I played a lot of it. Then I played, I think, a couple games of MLB. Yeah, my dad's season. Did some trades. I got I got traded again, but traded Brandon Nitzler for Arnold Chapman. And I traded Craig Kimbrel, got Craig Kimbrel for, what was it? Let me think. Who did I trade for Craig Kimbrel? Let me think. He was, I'm not really sure who it was, but we get to know tomorrow. Oh, you guys see this. You just actually seen this today, so I gotta know when tomorrow I trade for. I know I traded Renessa for Chapman. Because 4 trades around, so use them. But yeah. That's what we kept doing. So you guys did appreciate it. Hit that like button. Subscribe to my channel. Don't forget to turn my post notifications on. And we'll see you guys next time. Oh.